In this video, I will help you find the best vlogging drones in 2023. Links to all the products we mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. Number 5. DJI Phantom 4 Pro V 2.0. DJI's Phantom 4 Pro V 2.0 is a drone that commands respect in the industry. It's a professional tool that caters to photographers, videographers, and enthusiasts. With 4K video and 1080p live streaming, it excels in capturing detailed visuals. The gimbal camera, featuring a CMOS sensor and wide-angle lens, ensures sharpness even in challenging lighting conditions. It eliminates rolling shutter distortion, providing crisp images and videos. Moreover, this drone offers versatility with various flight modes like custom path creation and gesture-based selfies, allowing for creative aerial shots. To enhance your vlogging experience, it comes equipped with a smart flight battery that provides reliability that extends flying time. In essence, the Phantom 4 Pro V 2.0 is your trusted companion for precise and stylish adventure documentation. Number 4. Ruko F11 Pro. If you're just dipping your toes into the world of vlogging drones, the Ruko F11 Pro is an excellent choice to kickstart your journey. While it may not offer the 4K resolution of its high-end counterparts, it still manages to deliver impressive 2.9K video quality that will leave your audience captivated. One of the standout features of the Ruko F11 Pro is its exceptional battery life. With 2 batteries providing a total of 60 minutes of flight time, you can record your adventures extensively without the constant need for recharging. This extended flight time allows you to explore your creative boundaries and capture every moment without compromise. The Ruko F11 Pro doesn't skimp on fun and practical features either. With options like VR flight, 6 video filters, gesture mode for hands-free control, waypoint navigation for precise flight paths, and a follow me mode that keeps you in the frame, you'll have a versatile vlogging toolkit at your disposal. The drone's GPS functionality ensures you won't lose track of it, adding an extra layer of security to your aerial adventures. Perhaps one of the most attractive aspects of the Ruko F11 Pro is its budget-friendly price tag. It strikes a remarkable balance between affordability and functionality, making it an accessible choice for vloggers who are just starting and want to create engaging content without breaking the bank. Number 3. DJI Mavic Air 2. In the ever-evolving landscape of drone technology, the DJI Mavic Air 2 emerges as a compact powerhouse that punches well above its weight. This drone is a testament to DJI's dedication to innovation, packing a remarkable array of features into its sleek frame. At the heart of the Mavic Air 2 is its impressive half-inch CMOS sensor, capable of capturing breathtaking 4K video and even pushing the boundaries with 8K hyperlapse capabilities. The quality of the footage is further enhanced by the ability to live stream at 1080p, ensuring that your audience receives a vivid and immersive viewing experience. The drone's smart photo features, including scene recognition and HDR, open up new horizons for content creators. They allow you to effortlessly capture stunning shots in varying lighting conditions, ensuring that your content stands out from the crowd. Obstacle avoidance technology is integrated seamlessly into the Mavic Air 2, making it a reliable choice for those who prioritize safety during their flights. Focus track features such as Spotlight 2.0 for subject tracking add a layer of professionalism to your videography, allowing you to effortlessly follow subjects and create dynamic shots. The drone even takes on the role of a cinematographer, automatically planning cinematic flight routes that would otherwise require hours of planning and experience. All these remarkable features are offered at a fraction of the price of professional-grade drones, making the DJI Mavic Air 2 an attractive choice for both enthusiasts and professionals looking to elevate their aerial photography and videography. Number 2. Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus. When it comes to achieving exceptional video quality and stability in the world of drones, the Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus stands as a top-tier choice. This drone is not just a piece of equipment, it's a creative powerhouse that empowers you to capture cinematic masterpieces from the sky. The Evo Lite Plus boasts an impressive 6K video resolution, setting a new standard for visual fidelity in the drone industry. Coupled with its 4-axis mechanical stabilization gimbal, it ensures that every frame you capture is a work of art, free from the jitters and shakes that can plague lesser drones. One of the standout features of the Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus is its intelligent moonlight algorithm. This innovation allows you to capture vibrant and detailed shots even in challenging low-light conditions, opening up new possibilities for nighttime photography and videography. Moreover, the drone's adjustable aperture settings give you the freedom to get creative with depth and exposure, allowing you to craft unique and compelling shots. The Evo Lite Plus doesn't just excel in the technical aspects of drone photography, it also provides a range of intuitive features for creative control. With 4 automatic cinematic shooting modes, subject tracking capabilities, and the ability to add voiceovers to your videos, it caters to both professional videographers and content creators who demand excellence. While it may come at a premium price, the Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus is an investment in your creative potential. It's a professional-grade choice that guarantees exceptional results, making it a favorite among those who demand nothing but the best. Number 1. DJI Mini SE. For those who are mindful of their budget but still crave excellent quality and performance, the DJI Mini SE is the perfect solution. This lightweight and portable drone managed to pack a punch well beyond its size, making it an ideal choice for enthusiasts and beginners alike. The DJI Mini SE may not have the advanced features and high-resolution capabilities of its more expensive counterparts, but it still manages to impress with its 3-axis motorized gimbal. This gimbal ensures that your videos are smooth and stable, even in less than ideal conditions, giving your content a professional touch. Precise hovering is made possible by onboard sensors, ensuring that your drone stays where you want it to be, regardless of external factors. Additionally, the Mini SE offers cinematic modes that add flair to your videos, allowing you to create captivating content with ease. One of the standout advantages of the Mini SE is its user-friendly nature. It comes with a flight tutorial that helps beginners get started quickly, and the DJI Fly app makes editing your videos and discovering scenic locations nearby a breeze. All of this comes at a fraction of the price of professional-grade drones, making it a practical choice for those who want to explore the world of aerial videography without a significant financial commitment. And alright, we came to the end of the video. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.